Come test drive the 2017 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on the top. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.